Hi, welcome back everyone. Today let's make some special chutneys using special ingredients. Chutneys are very tasty dip and can go with anything you can think of. Steamed rice, roti, naan, dosa, idli, porridge, and you can even use this as a spread on your toasted bread. First, we are making a green tomato chutney. Heat up 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Put green chillies. You can use 4 to 5 green chillies. I used a piece of habanero chili. This is very spicy chili, so I used only half of one chili. Instead of that, you can use 4 to 5 green chilies. And put a little bit of tamarind, a small ball of tamarind, curry leaves, and diced tomatoes. Fry that for like 1 to 2 minutes and cover it for another 1 minute so that the tomato will cook. Then grind everything using a blender with 1 teaspoon of salt. Your chutney is ready now. You can taste it, and if you want you can add more salt. I tasted it, and to balance the taste I thought it would be nice to add half a teaspoon of sugar to it. Then mix well. This chutney is very tasty. It has all the taste. It has sourness, sweetness, it's very spicy, and we added salt also. So it's very tasty chutney. Please try it and leave comments. Now let's make a very special chammanthi using bitter gourd. I used a very small bitter gourd, removed the seeds and cut it into small pieces. I'm going to dry roast the pieces using an iron skillet with no oil. It will take some time, so we can prepare the other ingredients. Then we need 7 to 8 red chillies, a small ball of tamarind, half cup grated coconut, and half to 3/4 teaspoon salt. Heat 1 teaspoon coconut oil and fry the chilies in low flame. Add tamarind and coconut. Fry that for 1 to 2 minutes. Grind the mix with the roasted bitter gourd pieces and with 1 teaspoon, half to 3/4 teaspoon salt. Our chutney is ready. This chammanthi has a very special taste. The sourness, the bitterness, the spiciness will take you to another world. Please try it and leave comments. The coconut ginger chutney is one of our favorite chutney. I took half cup coconut, few curry leaves, 6 to 7 green chilies, a big piece of ginger, a small ball of tamarind. First we need to grate the ginger or cut it into small pieces. Grind everything together with very little water. You can use this as chammanthi. Don't forget to add salt. I added 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a very tasty chammanthi. But today I'm going to add some yogurt or curd. I added 1 cup of yogurt to the chammanthi and mix it well. Season this chutney with mustard seeds, red chillies, curry leaves and coconut oil. Turn off stove. Pour the chutney into the seasoning and mix well. The taste of ginger with coconut, green chilies, tamarind in yogurt will satisfy all your taste buds. Please try. The coconut tamarind chammanthi is very easy to make. Heat 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Fry red chilies in low flame. Add tamarind and coconut. Fry for another 1 to 2 minutes and grind everything together with 1 teaspoon salt and very little water. The taste of coconut oil with red chilies and coconut will enable all your taste buds. Please try and leave comments. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thanks a lot.